We're gonna cook some nice style fish and grouper today, guys. Stay tuned, watch what I go.
Well soft, nice and rich. You know. Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we're gonna do something special, something nice. Just stay tuned, sit back and watch what's going on, guys. We're gonna cook some nice style fish and grouper today, guys. So stay tuned, watch what I go. So remember, as a jump on, like and share. Guys, we're gonna do something delicious today, so stay tuned. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, guys, so like I said, it's gonna be a different video today. Here is all the seasoning and the spices, guys. All the links will be in the description. So today it's gonna be a different video, guys. When I'm a Str8yaad family is here today, guys, we're gonna gonna show you how to cook some simple, delicious, quick, fast meal, guys. So stay tuned, watch what's going on. You're gonna cook with some okras and some asparagus. So stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys. We have some beautiful fish here. We're gonna show you how we're gonna get it done. She's gonna show you how to get it done, guys. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. So right away, we have the fish, guys, in the pan. Gonna start seasoning up. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. This video is gonna be a different video, guys. Okay, like I said. So now we're adding the season to the fish. And we're gonna start seasoning all the fish little by little, guys, as we go along. So stay tuned. And this fish is a nice grouper head with some nice tile fish head, guys. Okay. This one is gonna be so nice and delicious, guys. Quick, fast, and juicy. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. So now we season up the fish, guys. Stirring up, like everything marinate, everything, you know how it go already, everything gonna get some. So everything gonna get seasoned equally, guys. Now we marinate it, guys. We rub it in now. Rub it in. Use a hand. Rub it in, guys. Get your hand a little bit dirty. You know, you gotta rub it in. All the season. Gotta go up in that beautiful fish, guys. So stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. So this is something simple, quick, and fast, guys. Okay? Something like about, 13-15 minutes time. We're done cook. And ready to eat. So stay tuned. Give the video a thumbs up, guys, as I jump on. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some earth season, guys. We're gonna go in with some garlic. I know we can't do without the earth season. We have to have the earth season, guys. So now we're moving them to the pan, to the pot, guys, where we're gonna cook it in. The pot is not light yet, and this one is a different type of way, guys. So watch it. It's very educational, and it's very quick and fast, and it's very delicious, guys. Now we put them in the pan. The fire is not on yet, but we just put them in the pan, guys, because we're gonna put everything in the pot, and we're gonna make one light and one cook. Okay, so stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Now we're gonna add our onions. We're gonna add the thyme, guys, and like I tell you, we don't cut up thyme when we're cooking it in stuff. We just tie it up or we just put it whole, and And when it finishes the work, we take it out and chew it, guys. You don't want to bite time when you're eating. That's not nice. We're just cooking it for flavors, guys. The flavors. Now we're going in with scallion. Quick and fast. This is like when you come in from work, guys, and you're well hungry and you want to cook something quick and fast. This is it. And it tastes just as much as you want to take long with it, guys. This is no soaking. No time to put it down for soak. Just right away. And it's gonna be very delicious. Same way, guys. Now we're adding piece more garlic. We add the scallion already. So we add piece more garlic. Add the next piece of garlic, guys. So we're adding 3 cloves of garlic. Or 3 peg if you want to call it, but we call it cloves. Alright. So now we're going with a piece of scotch bonnet, guys. Right there, you can see with scotch bonnet already. So guys, we only put in a little bit of scotch bonnet in it because we don't want to get it too hot, guys. We just want to make it nice, the right flavor, guys, okay? And the scotch bonnet gonna give it a nice kick, but not too hot. Just the right flavor. Anybody can eat it, even if you don't like pepper. It's just the flavor, okay? So we add a little piece more, guys. Now we finish putting all the seasoning. So right away I drop a little bit of olive oil, guys, okay? And we put a little piece of butter also, okay? So now we're going with the butter, just 2 little pieces of butter, guys. So it's like an ounce of butter we put it in, guys, okay? Now we're going to turn on the fire, my peeps. We're going to get cooking. So stay tuned, it's time to eat. You know we do it already, guys, quick and fast. Now we cover up the pot. We don't add no water or nothing, no peeps. No water or nothing. Okay? So the you can see the little piece of pepper we use for the big scotch bonnet. We don't use a lot. So now, guys, we're going to put a little bit more spice to it. Because you know we like to kick. So we'll get a little bit more kick, guys, okay? So, like me say, this video is a different one. Far away quick and far away faster, guys. Tastes just the same if you soak it for an hour or 2, it doesn't matter. This one is no soaking. Quick, fast and easy. Simple, nice and delicious recipe, guys. So guys, this is what we season the fish with. So we have a little bit of water that leaves off for the fish. That's all we added into it, guys. Not more. No water at all. And guys, you're gonna taste real flavor. You're gonna see how real flavor occur. Okay? So now we have okra. We're gonna add the okra to it, guys, right away also. And we're gonna do the asparagus separate. Okay? We're gonna blanch up our asparagus. Because you know we like really crunch in our asparagus, okay? So right away we are putting the okra them. And we are cover back down, guys. And you're gonna see how it builds its own juice and its own water. So right away we have the file. We go already with the frying pan on fire, guys. Put in the asparagus. Cut up a little bit of garlic. Now we're gonna add a next little piece of garlic. A little bit of olive oil. We're gonna put to the pan, guys. We just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, okay? Olive oil. Natural olive oil, guys. Virgin olive oil, okay? Because you know it have nice. So we add a little piece of butter and a little olive oil, okay? Splash of olive oil. So right away, we put just a little tip of salt, guys, because you know it have flavor. We don't ramp with flavor. We have to have flavor. Okay? right now the butter is melting that we show you, and the little olive oil is gonna marinate together, guys, and it's gonna so delicious. Yeah, my peeps. Steve's going out with himself already. Yeah. We just go and steam it for a little bit because you know we want it to nice and crunchy, okay? And full of flavor. So right away, the fire do the work. We'll cover up back, guys. The fire do the work. See? See my build up in nice juice now, my people. That we are talking about. It's like we are glaze it up in it, you know? Blanch it up in it, you know? Now we are cover it up back. Now, we'll check him out again, my peeps, because we are going to take him off now anytime soon. Remember, guys, when you're cooking asparagus, it don't take long to cook. Quick 5 minutes or one quick 6 minutes are done. So let's check out back the fish now, my peeps. Look on it, guys, you see? You see all that juice it build? Look in it, so it bubbling? Yeah. That's just a little bit of juice that leave from the pan, guys, I add to it. And it's building its own juice, okay? And I'm not going to add nothing on it. I'm just going to show you. We're not going to add no more than that little drop. You see how much it build already? Look at it. Yeah, man. I want to go nice. People, I want to go delicious. Trust me. When you taste this one, I'm going to say, oh, you never know it can cook this way. A lot of people think it's a hard thing to do, but it's not hard. Because, you know, everything, the okra have water. The fish have water inside of it also. So it's going to build its own juice. Okay? And all these seasonings that we put in the pan, they have water also. So look at flavor, guys. This is what we're talking about. What we are going to do? We're going to get a one stir. We're going to flip them over. See the guys? Them start mash already, so them soft. Plate, we are going to plate right now, my people. We are going to plate while we finish cook. So, quick and fast. Guys, we go ahead and cook some food off camera, which we never show you. But we already show you how to cook food, so. You can eat this with anything, guys. Rice, flour, dumpling, yam, banana, anything you choose to eat it with. Even bread, even crackers. Anything you want to eat it with. Okay? Bulgur, lintel, anything you want to eat it with, guys. When I say anything, I mean anything. So right away, plate we are plate. And we are going to eat, guys. So they're nice and delicious. Soft and juicy. Guys, you want tasty? See how the okra them are nice and soft, people? Full of flavor. Watch gravy. And we not throw no water in, watch gravy. Natural gravy, my people. Natural. Yeah, man, I like me okra, you know, because I go mad up that, my people. This is what we're talking about, people. Quick, easy, simple, and fast recipe. Guys, look at the grouper. You see the grouper pretty and nice? Yeah. The okra stand up on the top looking beautiful, my people. Ready to eat. And over here, so, see it there? We have tile fish over here, so too. There's two different type of fish, guys. Tile fish and grouper. Two beautiful fish, guys. So, alright, people, we are going to eat. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Str8yaad TV. Up and running.